Hi, it's Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Come from not sunny, but rainy South Florida. And the reason I'm doing this in the rain is because this customer drove all the way from Jacksonville 5 hours for us to install these electric boards. And this is the very first set we have done on the brand new Toyota Tundra. This is the 23 model. What am I talking about? Oh, before I get going, there's our phone number, there's the website. I'll have a link on the bottom of my video for the product. So come on over here. We're gonna have to do it quick because I'm getting wet, but you know what? As you know, there's only one company that's doing electric boards for the brand new Toyota Tundra, and that is Rhino here. Now, these are really nice. Now, first thing I want you to know is there's a third support on here versus most all the other companies we deal with. They only have dual supports, front and back, nothing in the middle. This has a third one there in the middle. Also, this has dual motors. That's a motor here, there's a motor there. And if you notice, look how much further this comes out. What a big difference. So if you're getting in there, take a look at the door jamb here and see how nice this setup is. Now, as you know, I'm not a little guy, but as you can see, it holds the weight no problem. Third support does make a difference. It really does a good job of holding big guys like me. Or let's say my twin brother getting in the back seat at the same time, it can handle both of us just fine. Now, if you're doing the installation yourself, you're gonna notice this one is a little easier than some of the other models out there. Some of the parts are already put together. I mean, Dave, who did the install on this, which I did not, tells me he likes to install these better because some of our other companies that we do like, they're not so easy for the installation. So if you decide to do these at home, it's not as bad as some of the other ones. It still work. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's a 1 out of 10. It's kind of like what, I think, a 5?
Yeah, 4 or 5.
4 or 5? Okay, so again, these things are really quiet. Man, look how nice they tuck in there. They do have the LED lights as well. It's hard to see them, but they are there. Again, a really great setup. I like this a lot. And again, this is the only company at this time is doing the electric boards for the brand new Toyota Tundra. Dave, who's behind the camera, any other things I should mention here?
I mean, if you guys are doing the install at home, all the connectors are dummy proof. Basically, they can only go into each one, and the instructions are really well written on this. So if you guys are thinking about tackling it, I find this one's easier. The other thing that Chris forgot to mention, open the door, Chris. This one does not plug into your OBD2. It uses little magnet sensors on all 4 doors. So some of the new trucks, they were having problems with OBD2 errors. This one doesn't do that, doesn't touch your OBD2, so you won't get any errors. But pretty simple install. You're probably looking about 3-4 hours if you have a little bit of mechanical ability.
Okay, again, this is Chris with C&H. I'm gonna get out of the rain. Hopefully the camera's not messed up. If you like this, we can ship it to you anywhere in the country. You can come into the store and have us do it here in the store. We can take care of that way. Either way, we got you covered. By the way, if you like what you just saw, hit that like button. We appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Chris doing a review of the Rhino power boards for the brand new 23 Toyota Tundra. And I'm with C&H Auto Accessories. Thank you.